Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discussing Laravel 11 full course. On this part 163 sending OTP using email in Laravel 11, and this is my part 2. This is a working, and this is my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Let's start this video. First of all, this is a MyGem server. This is a MyGem server already started Apache and MySQL, and this is already run, and this is my database name. Inside this is a list of table is available, and this click this user table, and this click this user table. Inside this is the email is available. First of all, this email check. After this is a OTP send, and this is a email OTP send, and this is my project is available gem folder. Inside this htdoc directory, and this is a project. This project is inside this cmd open means command prompt also open cmd successfully. This is a cmd open this directory inside. Let's run php artisan server working fine. This is a URL is a copy and hit this browser. Successfully working fine. This is a project is a working fine. Let's /admin login. This is a login screen is available. Let's admin@gmail.com. Password is a 123456789 and click this login, and not now. Please wait. This is a login, and this is a successfully login. Please check this previous video, and this is a email OTP in this previous video, and this is a implementation. This is a project is a working fine. Let's click this email OTP. This menu is a click email OTP, and this is a form is available. This is a form. This is a available email OTP. This admin email OTP. This is a URL is a copy and web.php open route and web.php open successfully. This is a available. This is available to route previous video. Please check this email OTP. Let's resource view admin, and this is available email OTP. This is a please write down. This is a file. This file is available inside. This is only simple way. Same here. This is available. Let's same email OTP. This is a control is already create. Please check this previous video. Same is a copy this, and this app http controller, and this is a email OTP controller is available. Email OTP controller. This is an email OTP controller, and this is a previous video. Inside this is a done. Let's refresh this page. Inside this is a admin, and this is a chat and send successfully. This is available this token, and this is available. Same name is a copy. This is a name is a copy. Email name is a copy, and inside this is a comment, and this is a $request. Inside this is available email. This is the same name is available. First of all, this is a database is available. This is a data table is this is a user table is available. Let's open this by default model. Inside this is a user model. This is a model is a by default. Same model is a copy. Inside this is a use app model, and this is a paste here. Successfully paste. Good working. This is a model is a successfully included. This is a successfully included. Inside this is available. Field name is a email field, and this is a email field is available. This is a good. This field is a search check. After is a store in database. Let's $count means first of all this count, and same here copy and paste here where, and this is a name is available. This database name is where is means this is a email. Same name is a copy and paste here where, and this is equal to same here. This same copy cut and paste here. This is a paste here, and this is a first successfully paste here. This is a successfully set. Good working. This is a good. Let's if dollar count, this is a count, copy and paste here, and this is a 0, and this is a else part, else, and this is a paste. Let's dd if, and second is a else. Let's else, save file. Let's check this is a email. Let's current email inside this is the same, not a different back button. Click this and refresh this page, and this is the email. This email gmail.com. This Gmail is not available in databases. This email is not available. Let's submit. Let's send successfully. Yes, this is a Gmail is not available. This Gmail is not available. This Gmail is not available. Otherwise available. So this is not available, and this is else is available. Good working. This is else part is available. Let's same back button. Click this and refresh this page, and this is this email ID is implement. This is the same name is a copy. This email is a copy. This email copy, and this is the email is available. Let's if part is set. This paste here successfully, paste and send successfully. If part is available. Please wait. Send. This is a if part. This is a user is not convert into. Oh, this is the email. This is not a, this is the email is set. This email inside this is only Gmail account. This same name is a copy and paste here. Back button, click this, and this save, paste here and set send user@gmail.com. This is a, let's wait. This is a any issue. This request email first count, and this is a model. Please wait. This is a model is a set. Color, this is a model, and this is spelling my mistake. Please wait. Save file is equal to user inside this request email is available, and this is a count, not a my mistake. This is not first, and this is a count is a set. This is a count, not a first. Let's count is a set. Let's back button, click this and refresh this page, and this is a count. Let's same here. This is same email is a copy, and inside this is a paste and send successfully. This is a object class. This is a dollar count. This is a count set. Please wait. This is a count. The same name is a count, and this is a remove. Let's count is a why not working. If part, this is dollar count. Same name is a count. Where email, and this is a user request count. Let's see. This same name is a copy, and dd dollar count is a set and paste here. Save file. Let's refresh this page. And this is a 1. This is a 1 set, not a 0. This is a 1. 1 is a set. Let's refresh, remove, save file. Let's refresh this page successfully, else, and this is a good, and this is a else part is a set, and this is a if. Good working. This is a fine is equal. Otherwise this is a empty, and this is a 0. Let's remove, and this is a set, and this is a 11 is a not a working. This is a 10 dd, and this set available 1. Good. This is the available is a 1 set. This is available, and this is the email is a not available. Let's send, and this 0 is equal to 0. Count is a 0. If is empty, this is a count, dollar count, remove and paste here, and this is the else part, else part, else set, and this same name is a copy, paste here, and this is a paste here. Save file. Let's refresh this page, and this is a refresh this page, and this is a not available. This is a if. Good working. This is a if, and this back button, click this again back button, and this is a remove and submit, and this successfully, this is a else, 2 times is a else. This is successfully set this account, and this is available, this remove, and this is a inside this. Good working. Let's inside this return redirection is a set, return redirection, return redirect, and this is a back with this error email is not sent, and this same here, copy and paste here, and success. Email OTP send successfully. Save file. Successfully save file. Let's remake. This is a not used, this not used. All good. This is a file is open, OTP email add file. This close, add file. Inside this is a file is a include. This is a first of all, this is a file is a include, otherwise is a not a working. Find this list file inside. This is a message file. This file is a copy, same name is a copy message file, and this is a paste here. This is a paste here. This is underscore message. This message file is available inside. This is available success and error message is available, and this is a file is a include. This is a box wise. Let's refresh this page, and this is as it is working fine. This any issue OTP, this is at gmail.com. This is a Gmail is not available in this is a database. This email is not available. Set send, and this is a email is not a send. Email is not a send. Good. Email is not a send. OTP. Otherwise, this is a successfully. This email is not available. Let's next email. The same name is the email copy. This email copy and paste here, and this is a send. This is a working. Email is a OTP send. This is a different redirection is a implementation. This is a redirection, and this is a working fine. Good working. Let's step by step inside. This is a first of all, this is a saving OTP after email is a send, otherwise not a send. Dollar user is equal to same name is a copy and paste here, where email, this is a email, same name is email, same copy is equal to, this is a paste and first and save file. The same name is a one variable is a create dollar random pass OTP is equal to rnd rand, and this is a 1111, and this is a only 4 digit is a OTP is a set, random 4 OTP is a send. Dollar user, the same variable is a copy and paste here, dollar user, and this is a email OTP is equal to, this is the same name is a copy and dollar paste here. Dollar user, this is the same name is a copy and paste here, and this is a save. This is a save, successfully save file. Let's same name is a copy, this name copy email OTP, and this is a field is not available. This field is not available. Let's first of all this is a field is include this email. After this field is include structure, and this is a email inside. This is a new OTP field is include. This click this and successfully email OTP, and this is a varchar, and this is a 255, and this is a null. This is a new field is include. Successfully this is a field is included. This is a email OTP. This is my mistake, this spelling mistake. Let's change this scene and rename OTP. This is a OTP. This is a OTP is set and save file. Successfully OTP set. Successfully this is a sense. This is a OTP name is a sense, sham name is a copy, and inside this is a sense. This is a OTP. My mistake. This is a working fine. Let's refresh this page, and this is available. Null is available, and refresh this page, and this is a refresh this page working fine. The same name is a copy. This is a name is a copy. This is Gmail account name is a copy, and this is a blank is available. This 11 entry. Let's click this and send OTP. Successfully OTP is sent. Let's refresh this page, and this refresh this page, and 11 number is a OTP is insert in database. Name is a random. This is a successfully random is a created. Good working. This is a OTP is a successfully sent. This is a good working. This is random OTP. Let's other email ID is implementation. This is a Gmail account is a inside. This is not available, and this is a message is send, and this is a email is a not a send. This is a not a found, and this is a database is a not allowed. Let's same name is a copy. This is a Gmail is a copy, and inside this is null. Let's click this send, and this is a send OTP, and this successfully send. Let's refresh this page. This is a refresh. Click this refresh. Refresh this page. Let's check this. This is a working fine. This is a OTP is a working good. Same OTP is a this is a available. This is a OTP is a send. Again send copy. This is a copy and paste here, and this is a OTP is a set send, and this is different OTP is a send. Let's refresh this page, and this field search, and this different OTP set. This is a good. This is a remove 4611. This is a different OTP is available. This is a random OTP is a create only 4 digit is a random OTP. Please write down. This is a step by step. This is a video is a 2 is a done. Please write down. This is a include date, and this is a my official website errorsolutioncode.com. Any doubt so please contact anytime WhatsApp, Instagram, and anytime contact. Lost of project is available. This is my YouTube channel. Please subscribe and follow this all social media. Link is available Facebook, Instagram, and GitHub. Let's step by step. This is a follow. Next video is a implementation. This is a part is a done, and part is a 1 is a done, and part 3 is a pending. This is the 2 part is a done, 3 part is a pending. This is the next video is a uploaded. This is a via Gmail is a this Gmail account is a send. This is a OTP. This email account is a send. This is the email account is a this is the 2 part is a done. This part is a 2 is a done. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.